Hello and welcome back to ZXRC. Today I'm going to work on my Marksman, that guy right there a little bit. Last time I was over at the park, I backed off of a rock, hung the rear bumper down into the dirt, and stripped the spur gear right off the thing. So I have an upgraded steel spur gear for it. Show you what I'm going to do and how I'm going to do that. Alright, so here she is. It looks like I've got just a small bolt there. And this cover ought to come off.
Looks like it's
and
we got one that's coming this way.
Yeah, but the spur should be right here. I'll get this cover off and we'll have a look. Okay, I'm hoping I can get this, but man, look, see right there? And right there. Yeah, she's pretty toasted. Anyway, I forgot about needing a slipper clutch, so I hope I have one. But this gear, if you don't know, Redcat shares the same as Traxxas TRX4. So I have Traxxas TRX4 pieces here, and this is going to just interchange directly. So let me find one and we'll get her back together. Alright, so this transmission here is a TRX4 transmission. Like I said, they share the same thing. It's a 45 tooth. I forget the pitch. 45 tooth. Yeah, it doesn't say the gear pitch on it. But it's the same, like I said, Redcat, especially in the Marksman, I'm not sure. I think the Gen 8's the same as well. But I know for certain sure that these interchange with Traxxas, so we're going with the Traxxas here. I'm going to take this guy off and reuse this guy's slipper clutch and all. So I'm going to just capture all of that, and it's going right back on the Redcat. Come on, baby, line up. Maybe. There we go. There we go. Oh, my washers. Ah, crap. I knew that was going to happen. Okay. Stack them on there. Which way you putting them?
Just like that. And that one. And the canut.
Okay, and then I gotta block the
driveline.
Oh, you've got it. If you stick one of these through your driveline hole here, you can tighten this guy up without it slipping and trying to hold it with your fingers and killing your fingers. I tighten mine down as tight as I can get them because I'd rather not have a slipper clutch. So that's why I'm doing that. I know you're not supposed to. There's a torque spec to them. But I'd rather not have it slip and get over something than... And if it breaks something, it breaks something. Here I am fixing it. It's another video for you guys. So there you go. Okay, and now we're ready to go back in the chassis. Okay, now my motor's mounted but not tight. I need to set my gear lash. So I'm going to my adjustables here. My fixed is here. So I'm gonna tighten this one down. Get her almost just snugged to where I can just kind of pull this away. Then you want just a... You don't want them bound together. You want just a skosh of gear lash in there. which I think we're good right there. And then I've learned that if you tighten this guy down now, your fixed one, that'll stay there. See, I still have my lash. And then you tighten this one here, your adjustable, and you make sure you hold that motor in place. Your gear lash shouldn't change on you. See, there we go. We're still good. So our gear lash is set now. I'm just gonna double check those. Those are good. And now we can throw this transmission back in. Okay, got her back together as you saw in the time lapse. And now she's making the marksman noise again. So before it was crunch, crunch, grind, grind, grind. Not good. So
Jump, jump,
there's
jump.
that.